USB-C now charges our phones, our laptops, our batteries, and more. But all those big, high-power chargers for each device are cluttering our desk, and unfortunately our landfills too. But what if there was a smarter, more efficient way to charge? Introducing the Plugable PS10cc charger, the world's first to harness your existing USB power supply to charge up to 10 devices. Equipped with patented intelligent power allocation, this revolutionary charger distributes power efficiently across all 10 USB-C ports. Each device gets the exact amount of power it needs without waste. And for those urgent moments, our priority charging system ensures your most critical devices get charged first. Just plug in on the left, and our smart charge system takes care of the rest. With 10 power-hungry devices like laptops, it will charge the highest priority ones first and move down the line. By morning, even a household or classroom worth of devices will all be charged. Our patented system not only senses and adjusts the current to each port, but monitors the entire charging process, ensuring optimal efficiency. No product has been able to offer 10 USB-C charging ports supporting up to 100 watts each for under $100 before. If you want to make sure your device gets the full power of your attached charger, just plug into the leftmost port. The charger is constantly monitoring and adapting to changes in power input and power draw. Device charging rates naturally slow down as the battery fills. As this happens, power will be freed to charge the device on the next port. USB-C's dynamic power delivery specification allows power capabilities to be renegotiated dynamically. The PS10cc's patented power sensors and software system enables the magic of turning one USB-C power port into 10. This works whether you have a 100-watt laptop USB-C power supply or a 30-watt USB-C phone charger as the input. The full charging rate of the power supply will be put to use. Plugable's new patented technology makes the amazing potential of USB-C charging come alive. Fewer wall adapters to carry, less electronic waste. The Plugable PS10cc is the future of charging.